Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick update video. Finally got an oil pump. Yippee-yi-yay. So yeah, it's as you can see, it's swinging from the arse of the engine. So it's now fitted. Timing chains are now timed up. So we've had a few revolutions of the engine. Torsional damper on the back there on the crank is fitted, new. I think that's actually what caused the problem with the oil pump and the crank and everything else, was the amount of movement in that. But anyway, onwards and upwards. So as you can see, all the new timing chains, guides, tensioners, everything all fitted. And a wee update for you, Tony and Dave. It's off the shaky table. It's now back on the engine lift again. So hopefully over the case of the next week. There you go, Tony. Proper table, that. Proper table. You leave my wobbly legs out of this. Anyway, that's it. It's as I say, it's off the table, it's on the engine lift, and we're on with it. It's front cover all gunked up with high temperature silicone, ready to get back on. So we'll crack on, and I'll give you further updates. Torquing up the bolts, one of them snapped. Anyway, going to renew all the bolts. 15 Newton meters, snapped, stretched, I don't know, call it what you want, but I just call it poor quality. Anyway, hope you enjoy watching the wee video. It's only a shorter update. I'll get back to you further on in the week. Take care everybody. That's what I think of BMW.